Hey, aloha! Welcome to another F Word Friday. Today's F word is forage. Forage means to look over usually a wide area in search of some provisions, usually food. And I'm using this coming to you from my kitchen today because I was foraging through my refrigerator. And it may not be that big or wide of an area, but boy, do I have a lot of things in my fridge. And I cook a lot, so sometimes there's things that are pushed to the back. And after a few days or a week, I kind of forget what's back there. So I would encourage you to think about what you have, not only in your refrigerator so that you can use it up, but putting a spiritual slant on things. I would invite you to look within yourself and see what you have that has been pushed to the back, like skills, life experiences, gifts that you may have forgotten about, that you can use to make your life better and to make other people's life better. So again, today's word is forage, and I would encourage you to forage through yourself to find the gifts that you may have forgotten that you can use to serve yourself and others. Okay, that's it for this week. Till next time, take care. Oh, I wanted to tell you also, when I was foraging today, actually, I found some stuff that I made. I made a goat cheese with chipotle and jam recipe for like a dip. It came out so good. So I invite you to check out my YouTube station and look for the goat cheese with chipotle and jam. And it's such a good recipe and it was so fun. So till next time, take care. Aloha. Bye.